If you are not the first, you will be the last. Yes, I do agree to this topic. Hello, friends. My name is Amit Kumar, as you know, and I am here with one more topic today. And as you know, the name of this topic is "If you are not the first, you would be the last." So there are many advantages of becoming an early mover. So we should try to become an early movers in our lives, because if you do not take initiative first, definitely the people or the person who takes initiative first would have so much beneficial things in his or her lives. He will have to put less efforts because he would not have any competition. He would not have so much competition in his her or her way. So that's why it is so very important to understand this thing, that whatever the opportunity you are getting, if you feel it is good, take that initiative, grab that opportunity, because this is the only thing which takes us ahead, which gives an edge over other people. You become unbeatable. Many of the people cannot even think to compete with you. Nobody can become competitor of yours. This is called something blue ocean theory. And if you are unable to understand what blue ocean theory is, you can search on YouTube or Google. You will get to know many things. So it is so very important for us, if we see any kind of opportunity coming our way, and let me give you one more formula today. Within 30 seconds, take decisions in 30 seconds. If you feel any company is good or any opportunity is good, and within 30 seconds, if you feel it is really very good, grab that opportunity, because it will give you a lot of good results in your life. Believe me, it will give you a lot of good results in your life. Otherwise your mind will convince you not to do that, because your mind always works on the principle of survival. Your mind doesn't work on the principle of excellence. That's why many of the people, or I would say 80% or 90% of the population of India, is actually not successful. They are just working, they are just in the process of coming and going to work. Why is it happening? It is happening just because of they are not early mover. They are not taking initiative. When the right opportunity comes their way, they just retreat themselves. So it is so very important for us to understand this thing, that if we do not take action, many people or other people will take action and go ahead in their lives. So much simple. And people like us, later on, what do? We will just crib, we will just complain, this did not happen, this did not happen. We will just blame situations. We should never do this, never do this, never do this. Never blame anything, anybody, because when you blame some other people, it means you are not honest. Believe me, you are not honest in your life. And the people who are not honest in their lives actually are the ones who are in the excuse zone. They will just keep on excusing. So no excuse. If you have to go in the zone of no excuses, be honest. Be honest. It is the only mantra. Be honest. Because these are the things, are something which takes people ahead in his or her life. So if we also have to do something brilliant in our lives, take initiative, take action, because action is only thing which can give us an edge over other people. Thank you so much, everybody. This was my message to you. I hope you understand this thing and start believing in yourself. All the powers are within you. All the powers are within you only. What you have to do required is that believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that I can do. Train your this mind. Train your this mind. Your body can stand anywhere, but it is your mind which you need to train upon. Train your mind. Train your mind to see positive in every situation. Even that situation is the worst, but there will be something or other. There would be something or other beneficial thing in that situation also. So you will have to train this mind, because you can never become successful with a negative mind, believe me. You can't even have a good life with a negative mind. This is so very important to understand, that you have to make your mind set positive, because everything starts from here. And one more thing, let me tell you one more thing today. The people who work from here actually are the successful. The people who work from here, let me tell this one more time. The people who work from here actually are the ones who are successful, or are the people who are doing really very good things in their lives. Really very good things are occurring in their lives. And the people who are working bottom side of this part of our body, actually from here to downside, actually are the ones are not so much successful in their lives. Actually they just complain, this thing is not happening in my right way, this thing is not happening in my life right way. How will it happen? Train your mind to do something, to better do something in your life, in your lives. Nobody can do it for you, believe me. Nobody will come and make you successful. You are the only person who will make yourself successful. Understand this thing. Otherwise it would be so much late, it would be so much late. I don't know what your age is, but I can guarantee you, I can assure you about one thing. If you do not take action, believe me, your mind will keep you your mind will make you keep on procrastinating. And procrastination, the medicine of procrastination is actually nothing. This is the best part, or this is the funny part about it. So you are the only person who can take action. If you think it is good, grab that. Grab that. Because grabbing the right opportunities can actually make you successful in your life. In terms of knowledge, in terms of revenue, I don't know what the meaning of successful is in your point of view, in your perception. At least take action, because these things, whatever the meaning of success is in your perception, would be meaningful when you take action. Otherwise, success doesn't come easily. Success doesn't come easily. Making money is really very simple, but it is not easy. This is the best part about it. Okay, start thinking about this. And okay, thank you so much everybody to listen to me. I hope you would like this topic, and I hope that I would have added some values in your life through these videos which I am making nowadays. Thank you so much everybody to listen to me till now. Have a very good day. Bye bye. Have a really very amazing day.